Hi guys, it's Elisa at Moat Cottage. Today I'm going to be making a raspberry liqueur. To make this raspberry liqueur, I've got 2 cups of vodka in this sterilised bottle. I have 1 cup of boiling water, which I'm going to add half a cup of sugar so that it can dissolve. And 2.5 cups of raspberries. I've had these raspberries frozen, so they're still a bit cold. And I'm just going to add the boiling water and sugar into that. Making sure I get that last bit of sugar that hasn't quite dissolved in. Okay, I'll give that a mix up. I'll mash the raspberries up just a little bit with the spoon. If you have a suitable funnel for the job, then this won't be a problem. But if you have a fine funnel, I find a skewer helps to get the raspberries through. We put the lid on and let it sit for at least 2.5 months, giving it a shake now and then. And then it will be ready to enjoy. This works well with some of the other berries too, like youngberries, blackberries, loganberries. Whatever you're growing in the garden, give it a go and see what you think, if you like liqueurs, that is. You may have seen my Brandy Kumquat liqueurs that I've made, and now you've seen the raspberry. They're very easy to make and better than the ones you can buy in the shop. What liqueurs do you like to make? Have you even tried making liqueurs before? If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.